Welcome to the Auto Start Generator video. This is just one of many videos that we've produced for our customers here at IWS Motor Coaches. We've created a series of videos that we call our Advantage Package. When you buy a coach from IWS, we're going to give you an iPad preloaded with these videos so that as you travel the highways and the byways, you'll be able to look back on these videos as reference on how to use the features of your Renegade coach. We hope you enjoy this video.
Before we get started, I would like to talk about the controls. This is the AGS button. This is your main button that'll take you to all the features that we're covering in this video. This is the control knob. This is actually a select button as well. So not only can you maneuver around the menus, this is also your select button. So we'll start off by setting the time. So hit your AGS. It'll take you to the menu, scroll to set time, select your hour. Right now it is 10:32 here. Once you have your hour select, press the select button, scroll to the minute, and then this is your AM PM select. It's AM here, so we'll leave that selected. And that is how you set your time. The next thing that we are going to cover is how to test the AGS and if the generator is communicating with the remote. So what you want to do is press the AGS button. Number 1, select it. Scroll to test. Select. You will see on your generator panel the light rapid flashing, meaning it's preheating, and then it'll turn to a solid and you'll hear the generator kick on. And then it'll stay on for 30 to 60 seconds and then automatically kick off. And this lets you know that your generator is communicating with your battery management system. Next, we are going to cover how to manually shut off your generator. If your AGS system has kicked on your generator and you want to manually shut it off, this is how you would do it. Navigate to 1, AGS control. Make sure that you've navigated to off and then just select it. You might find yourself on a different menu. Just scroll to off and select off, and your generator should kick off in a couple of seconds. The next feature we will get into is how to program the AGS system to start at a certain temp. Scroll through to 04, select Start Temp. Scroll to what temp you would like to set it at, then press the Select button. There is also an external input option. If your coach is equipped with an external input from the thermostat will tell the AGS system when to start, and you can select it that way. Right now we will just leave it at off. Next feature we will cover is how to program your AGS system to kick on when your batteries have become weak. You'll want to scroll to start volts, number 5, press select, and this is where you can change the value of the VDC, at what point you want your AGS system to kick on or your generator to kick on. Please refer to your owner's manual to figure out the best situation for that generator to kick on for your coach. The next feature we will talk about is how to program the AGS system to kick on for a certain amount of time. Once you have selected your options for when the generator kicks on, this feature will tell how long the generator to run. Scroll to runtime hour, number 3, hit select, and then just select your allotted time. If you are having your generator kick on for a certain amount of voltage depletion, please refer to your owner's manual for how long your runtime should be set. If you're setting your runtime for temperature, it is recommended that you set the runtime for the lowest point, which is a half hour. After a half hour of the generator running, it will check the temp again, and if it needs to, we'll do another half hour cycle until the temp has reached. The next feature we are going to cover is how to program quiet time. Quiet time will not let your generator kick on or run at these designated times. So scroll to Quiet Time, number 7, select, scroll to the desired time that you would not like your generator to run or kick on. You've got 9 p.m. to 7 a.m., 9 p.m. to 8 a.m., 9 p.m. to 9 a.m., 10 p.m. to 8 a.m., 11 p.m. to 8 a.m. These are the only times that you can have quiet time. When selected, you will back out to the main menu. Okay, now that you've got all your settings programmed, I will show you how to enable your AGS system. Select 1 AGS control and just simply scroll to enable. Now, if you've programmed quiet time, enable with quiet time. Otherwise, if you do not need your quiet time, just select enable. Caution: this video is for reference only and in no way a replacement to the owner's manual. Please refer to the owner's manual before attempting any operations or maintenance on the coach.